Miyagi is a common term here. There's a Miyagi area. There's a Miyagi coast. There's a Miyagi island.
But who is Mr. Miyagi?
There's a lot of Miyagi family name also. So, yeah. It's
Yung Miyagi nila is De La Cruz. Yun na.
Parang ganyan si Fernandez, De La Cruz, Santos. So, Papa, on your right.
On your right yan.
On your right is a commercial area that has a lot of commercial residential mixed use. There's Miyagi Coast na on the right area.
Yun yung papuntang Miyagi na?
Miyagi Coast na, coast. Iba yung sa Miyagi Island. Sonabe Beach. We pass Sonabe Beach. On the right is Sonabe Beach, and then after that is Miyagi Coast. And then before you reach that area, madaming commercial spaces. Ang kanilang roads, private roads are very narrow. One lane, one person. Diba? Tama kanina, nagahapon. See that? Highly densely,
Uy, ano to Chata na to?
Yeah.
Masyadong ba? Commercialized?
Commercialized na siya. Miyagi Coast din, right side.
Siguro,
Dami siyang
siguro red light district na parang Subic din ba?
But red light. Mas Americans.
American.
I will not comment on that. See? First, 1, 2, 3, 6 lanes.
Uy, kalaki. Develop na siya. Straight ahead lang tayo.
Lapit na kayo. We are like 1.4 kilometers away.
In 400 meters, turn right.
Right, so right click ka na. 350. 300. Honda cars.
240. Ito na siguro. Turn right. Ito nag-turn right.
Yep, follow the ito.
At the light, turn right, then turn left.
Turn right.
Turn right on the first parallel street, mag-left ka.
Okay.
Then first parallel street, turn left ka ulit.
Turn right, then left doon.
Follow this. Then the first street, turn left.
Okay, here.
Yes, there.
Turn left, then turn right.
There.
Ay, mali tayo doon, no?
Ay, okay. Ganto ka lang next.
Head southwest, then turn left.
Okay.
Mali tayo.
Left lang. Mas maganda ka yun eh.
Ha?
Confusing yung kanyang
Oo
left,
nga,
right,
mas
left,
maganda
right.
dito. Wow.
So, marami
Ganda
siyang-
talaga dito. Stay
Yan,
dito
maganda eh. Ano tayo malapit sa...
Ha?
Mas commercial yung lahat. Medyo lakarin lang. Hihihi.
Let us see. Yeah, there's an option.
But I think we should go to the area na hindi pa tinapuntahan. Unahan pa. Going Naha na.
Option na
We
natin.
haven't stayed in Naha pa eh.
Tomorrow night. Mga natin.
Ayan, Naha pa na pa. Let's see.
Option natin to.
Ano pa hindi natin napuntahan. Here, turn
At
left.
the light, turn left.
Then...
Ikot tayo?
Nope, straight lang.
In 400 meters, turn right.
Tama